really is just putting 2 stitches in the same stitch. So here I'll use the half trebles to explain this. So you go over the hook, into the stitch, bring it through, you finish that stitch off going through all 3, and then you do exactly the same stitch in the same place. So what you have is you have 2 stitches coming out of the one base, and that will mean that you've added a stitch in that row. So we did it again, in, and then in the same stitch again, we've got 2. Okay. Now what I'll do is show you how to do, I'm going to undo these half, we'll do a decrease, but we'll do it with double crochet. And what you would do is you go into your stitch, yarn over and engage, pull it through, but then you would go into the next stitch, yarn over, engage and pull it through. So you have 3 loops on your hook, then you go yarn over and through all 3. I'll just do that again. So you go into the stitch, yarn over and engage, pull it through, into the next stitch, yarn over and engage, pull it through. So you've gone through 2 stitches, and now you're going through all of them, so those two stitches actually become 1. Just do that again. So it's part way, and then you go in the stitch, bring it through again and over. Now some places would ask you to do 3 together, so you would just continue and do a third one, and you'd have 4 stitches on the hook, so you would then just bring it through the 4. And yes, you can see that is actually already making my work curve, because I've reduced the stitches along here actually by 3 now, because I've done 3 2-togethers. So we've got a nice little curve there, and this is how you do shaping.